Hey, Joel Vasquez here, the infamous Joel.com, and today we're going to get into what the best affiliate programs for the CBD industry are, alright? You're going to figure out how to get high profits with very little work, alright? So check this out. No matter what state you're in, and I know there's a lot of states where it's still illegal to sell any type of medical marijuana type stuff, but you heard there's a lot of money in it, it's a booming industry, and you're trying to position yourself in that place right now, in that space where you're the weed guy, right? Even before your state passes any type of legislation. And this is the best way to get into it because legally and technically speaking, you're not really selling the stuff yourself. All right. You're not holding it in your home. You're not handling any of the payment processing. All you're doing is promoting other people's products. You're promoting big companies' products that are already out there moving a lot of this stuff. All right. So technically speaking, you won't get in any trouble because you're not really selling the stuff yourself. All right, there's a little gray area in the law. So even if your state is outlawing this stuff right now, if they're not on board with the legalization, eventually they will because everybody is right now, right? They're tired of locking motherfuckers up. They're tired of wasting a lot of money on this. They're trying to make money. They're trying to get money back in taxes, which is what we've been saying for like 50 years, right? Anybody that's been, smoked, that kind of stuff. I don't do it anymore. I don't condone it. I'm not saying that. But I did when I was younger. So check this out, right? So if you're trying to position yourself as the weed guy, right? You're trying to position yourself as the guy in your state where you're trying to, be that guy beforehand. You're trying to build a customer base. You're trying to get into some type of business where you're going to be in the legal marijuana business, that kind of stuff, right? So this is a great way to get into it. This is affiliate marketing, CBD products, all right? This way, no matter what, you're going to be already positioned by the time it legalizes in your state. And if your state it's already legal, then this is a way for you to jump on board without holding any products, without doing any of the processing, because there's a lot of loopholes even with that. You don't want to deal with all the paperwork and stuff. Let somebody else handle all that. All you do is promote it and, get people to buy it and stuff like that. So this is you, okay? Holy shit. All right, so let's get into what you need to be doing. You need to position yourself as the CBD medical marijuana guy in your state, in your area, and all that kind of stuff, but really worldwide, right? So first and foremost, in order to start getting into this stuff, this is you, okay? It's kind of thick. You gotta, I should have made it a little bit thinner, but this is going to be you, okay? We're going to thin it out right now. This is going to be you. And what you need to do, instead of getting approved for these affiliate programs, it doesn't take a lot of time, all right? It's pretty easy. Some of them are more easy than others. But it's going to be you, okay? You're going to get approved for these affiliate programs. You're going to be like, hey, I'm approved for the CBD affiliate program, and I'm about to start selling, weed products and stuff like that online. No problem, right? No matter whether your state's legal or illegal, doesn't matter, right? Because you're not holding any of this product, right? So you're out here, you're happy as hell. That's you being happy, right? And let's call you Bob. We're going to call you Bob, all right? So you're going to start selling this stuff, and you're going to get online. You're going to start selling on all types of platforms. We're going to call this one Facebook. We're going to call this one your blog. That's a B. We're going to call this your blog. We're going to call this YouTube. You're going to be all on YouTube making videos and stuff like that. Let's do a little play button. My favorite is YouTube. This one, we call it Facebook, whatever, the blog and all that stuff. All right? We're going to call it blog. Facebook, YouTube, blog. You're out there. You're all over the place. You're promoting this stuff, right? But what you don't want to do is you don't want to just spam your link. What you're really doing is you're building up an audience, all right? This is the proper way to do it. You need to be educating people on the benefits of CBD and all this stuff like that and why they should get it, right? And they'll be following you. Doesn't matter what the platform is that you choose. I would recommend choosing one. I'm on mainly one right now. I'm mainly focusing on YouTube because I just didn't find a lot of time to do a million other things. Some people can do a million other things. Maybe they don't have a day job. Maybe they don't have anything else going on. But I am focused on YouTube. So you should focus on one thing. So these are all the other people who are following you. You're the weed guy. You're the guy. You know every fucking thing about CBD, the health benefits. Anybody who's ever smoked a blunt in their entire life could tell you what kind of benefits it has, all right? I had a headache, I smoked weed, and it fixed, all right? Now the government wants to act all surprised, and they want to be like, oh, look at all this stuff we found out about the benefits of marijuana. Well, really, because we've been fucking telling you that shit for like 50 fucking years, 60 years. We've been telling you that it has a lot of benefits, but you've been sitting there locking motherfuckers up and acting like it didn't have any benefits. But that's a whole nother story, yo. Check this out. So you get approved, right? But you don't just start spamming your links all over the place and trying to get a sale. That's what everybody does. If you're just getting into this and you decided I need to get into the CBD industry and you don't know a lot about affiliate marketing, what you really need to do is understand that you're the brand, that you're the one that really people are going to be attracted to. You're going to be the one out there putting out a lot of knowledge about this stuff. You're going to be out there making YouTube videos and breaking things down for people. Excuse me, I just drank a lot of coffee because I need to be wired to make this stuff, because I'm in the morning this time right now. I don't have a watch, but I'm tired as shit when I'm shooting these videos. Anyway, so you need to be the expert, all right? And there's a book, and I don't have it out here right now, but there's a link in the description below. It's called Expert Secrets. It's by Russell Brunson. It will teach you how to be an expert in any field. That doesn't matter what it is, all right? He breaks it down exactly how to position yourself as the expert and teach people things, and that's how they're attracted to you, all right? Because people see you as an expert. They see you, man, I watched this guy on YouTube. He's like the CBD expert. Even if you're just hanging out in your college dorm room, you're the CBD expert. You know what I mean? You're always a step ahead of your crowd. You're always teaching them the next thing that you've learned, all right? So they depend on you for information, okay? Now, that doesn't matter if you're doing YouTube videos. Some people don't like videos. If you want to make a blog and just write about CBD oil, the benefits, the pros and cons, and what products to get, things like that, you can do that. Or if you just want to hang out on Facebook and have a Facebook group where you're inviting people and people are getting in conversation and stuff like that. And that's basically how you're going to build up your audience. And you're going to be known as that CBD guy. And you're going to be using your affiliate links, right? When people click on these links that are your personal affiliate link, they're going to be sent over to the company, buy the products, and you'll make a cut. You'll make a commission. And this is how you'll start building your own brand, your own business when it comes to CBD and stuff. And then when and if it does get legalized in your state, you're already positioned and you can start making your own products and selling your own stuff. All right. So this is a great way to get started. And where are you going to go to get these links? This is where you're going to go to get these links. This is the title of the video. This is where I recommend that you start off, all right? You're going to go, one of them here is a place called Joy Organics, all right? Joy Organics, you can sign up through them. You can become an affiliate. They're more targeted to like old fogies and things like that, people with glaucoma and things like that. But if that's going to be your audience, if that's who you're going to talk to, then this is a good way to get started. If that's some people that's going to be in your circle who you're going to get to follow you, that's a good way to get started. All you would do is come over here to joyorganics.com, okay? And this is for any website. This is what I do. You can go here to the partner and a drop down, you see where it says affiliate, okay? Some websites don't have it up here at the top like that. So almost any website on planet Earth, if you're interested in promoting their products, all you would have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, all right? Where you usually see all the legal shit. Usually down here, bam, there you see it, right? It says affiliate, okay? Usually down here on almost any website on the face of the planet Earth, you're going to see all the way at the bottom, it'll say affiliate program, partner program, whatever, things like that. That means that you can work with that company, with that website to help sell their products. And that's a great way to get started in business online. I promise you, I don't think there's any other better way. It's low cost, low overhead, doesn't cost a lot of money to get started. You need a few tools and that's about it. Some email marketing, we'll get into that another time. But it doesn't cost a lot to get into it, and it's a great way to start your business. You start making a lot of money, a ton of money, a little money, whatever you want. You can do a part-time, full-time affiliate marketing. If you type this into the search bar and you're here, then you know what affiliate marketing is. And if you don't, I just wanted to give you that little tidbit. All right. So the next website I recommend is this place called Koi CBD. I think that's how you say it, Koi CBD. All right. Now they're a little bit more aimed at like millennials. They're more like new agey stuff like that, like meditation and things. So they're kind of like, you know what I mean? They're kind of like hippies in disguise of medical people. But this is the shit. Like, this is a good website if your target audience is more like millennials. You want to talk to people more like you. I'm talking to you and you're a millennial, I guess. You know, maybe you're old. I don't know who you are. But if you want to talk to people who are millennials and things like that, this is a good way to get into it. They sell products more targeted to the Spencer's type crowd, people like that. So One thing about this website is they don't have an affiliate program on the website. They actually go through a third party. You have to see, I'll scroll down to the bottom just to show you. You don't see it down here, right? Any website on earth, usually, if you don't see it, either they don't have a program at all, which is rare nowadays. Almost every website on earth has some type of affiliate program. Or if they do, they'll go through a third party and you have to do a little research to find out. Usually just go into Google, Koi CBD affiliate program, or whatever company it is that you're trying to work with. And it'll come up to, if they have one, the third party that represents them, that does all their affiliate stuff for them, will come up. So I did it, and it came up as Rev Offers. All right, you go over here to revoffers.com. This is where Koi CBD got their affiliate program staged at. Like, this is where you find it. So you would go over here to Rev Offers, and you're considered a publisher. All right, so you would hit the publisher button up here, and bam, this is where you get the promote high paying offers, this and that. So you sign up through Rev Offers, and you'll be a affiliate, right? This is how you'll get your link and make money and stuff. You join Rev Offers, a list will come up. All right, a list of all the companies you can promote, and you'll see Koi CBD right up on there, right? So the next one I recommend is, it don't get more official than CVS, right? CVS. Everybody got a CVS on the corner of the boulevard. Everywhere you live in America, you got a CVS somewhere, right? CVS got their own CBD program. They sell CBD products and things like that. And, right, you can be an affiliate for CVS and their CBD medic program, all right? So you go all the way to the bottom, as I always recommend, and you look for the affiliate program. You look for, bam, become an affiliate. There it is. Partner with us, become an affiliate. All right, you could also become a wholesaler, and that's what I was saying, is that as your business grows and expands and you start moving into more stuff, you start legalizing in your state, things like that, you could become a wholesaler, start making your own CBD products and put it in the CVS stores, CVS online distribution. Bam, like, you're really growing. But the affiliate side is how you get started and start building your brand now. You don't have to worry about the legality of everything like that, because you're kind of in that gray area. You're all right. Okay, so I clicked on it. I'm in the CBD Medic affiliate program that's all run by CVS. All right, so you would go to join now. They tell you about how it works, up to 30% commission, 30 days commission period, 10% coupon. So they give you coupons for, you know, promoting it. That basically you can use the coupons yourself probably, or what they recommend is you give other people the coupons. It's like, as you're promoting, as you're talking your talk, you're like, hey, I got these coupons for CVS stuff, and it helps to promote. It helps to get people go through your special link, because you got special deals that nobody else got, right? And that's also in Expert Secrets. He talks about how to build up some type of irresistible offer. You want to separate yourself from everybody else. But again, link below, Expert Secrets. All right, get the Expert Secrets book. So you join the affiliate program here, CBD Medic, all that other good stuff. One last one that I want to talk about is called CBD Pure, and this is another one that's just kind of CVS-ish, right? It's more on the medical side of things. It's very much pushing like how it helps with pain, how it helps with a bunch of other stuff. All right, but you can sign up through them and sell their products as well. Now, you, as an affiliate, you're like a contractor. Like, you don't have to pick just one. All right, you don't have to promote one thing. You could promote all of these. You could apply for every last one of them and have a slew of different products that you can promote, which is actually better. Now, they're all the same type of product. They're all in the same niche, the same industry, and that's even better for you, because remember, in affiliate marketing, you're the brand. So you're the guy, you're the expert, you're the one who's out there who's teaching people about this stuff, and you're going to get a lot of questions. You're going to be, what's the best for pain? What's the best for seizures? What's the best for my glaucoma? What's the best? You know, people will give you all types of different questions looking for answers, and the answers that you give them, you're going to be like, all right, the one here that they sell CVS, this is the best one. Here's a coupon. Take this one. Bam, you get a sale. The one over here from what was it called again? From Joy Organics. The one over here from Joy Organics. This one over here is the best for glaucoma. It helps you, bam, it just gives you sight. It gives sight to the blind all of a sudden. That one right there is the one you want to get. Here's a special offer I got for you. Go through my link. Bam, you got a sale. It's that simple. You know, affiliate marketing is all about relationships. It's all about people. You're their guy. Like, become their guy. When they think about, I need some CBD medical needs, like, who do I go to? You're the guy. They're going to come to you. They're going to ask for your recommendation. What do you think I should do? This is the problems I've been having. This is what I know. This is what I don't know. My doctor says this. I should do that. What should I do? Guy. And then you're the guy. And you're going to come over and you're going to tell them, get this. And they get it. Bam, you get a sale. You get a commission. And that's your whole business model. Your whole business model is helping people. And if you're passionate about this kind of stuff, you're passionate about CBD, legalization, all that other kind of stuff. There's people all over the fucking place on Facebook, and they'll type all day furiously. They're all like, oh, it should be legalized in my state. What's the holdup? And all this other crap. But what they don't do is they don't start actually taking action. They don't start actually building up their business to actually turn that fury and that rage into, like, you know what, screw the government, I'm gonna wait for them. I'm gonna start selling some of this stuff and helping people because I know how much it helps people. Okay, I'm living proof. Not only has it helped me, maybe just in general, I'm just saying, has it helped me, or maybe it's helped a family member. Maybe grandma started taking some CBD kind of stuff, and grandma's never been fucking happier, right? So you wanna be that guy that's helping other people's grandmas, all right, or whoever else you're helping, all right? So those are some of the things that you need to get into, all right? So leave a comment in the description below. I want to know if it's legal in your state or not. Say yes or no. I want to know if you're going to pursue this as a business model, if you're going to start selling CBD products as an affiliate. I want to know if you like this video, what you think about it. Leave a comment. So tell me what you think. It's Joel Vasquez, aka the infamous Joel.com. Check it out.